Good morning. The online application portal for NTA examination, the June session has been released. Very important to note. You can fill the application starting today itself. So you can fill the application till 7th of May. Then the examinations are scheduled from 21st June to 30th June. So again, there has been a long window that implies that the exam would be a online exam, right? So it has been clearly mentioned here again that the exam, the candidates can apply through online mode only. Once they fill in the form, they can actually get all the details done, and this would be for the 85 subjects on a CBT mode. So it clearly says that the exam would not be pen and paper based, it would be online only. Now, you have 3 months to prepare for the examination: April, May and June. Now with this 3 months, ensure that you are best prepared for your examination. Those who are in their final semester have their semester ending somewhere either in April or in May, varying on the university they are studying in. So you still have nearly 1 month for comprehensive preparation for your NET examination. Don't miss this chance, because now you have categories which are 3: only PhD, assistant professor and PhD, and JRF and assistant professor, correct? So one of the categories you must target for. Now to prepare for this time, we would say that you can start with the books right now, because later you can go only for the online content. So you would get this comprehensive set of 7 books which covers the complete paper 1. Now paper 1 is really important. Don't take paper 1 lightly, because if you score good in paper 1, you can switch from the category of only PhD to PhD and assistant professor. So that would make a substantial difference in your attempt, and ensure that your first attempt is the key attempt. So make sure that you are appearing wholeheartedly in your first attempt itself. So all these 7 books together you can get. However, if you want to study specifically, let's say education and research, you can avail those specific books by getting the choose books option. So you can click the choose books option, select the individual book that you want here, and then if you want the complete course, you can select the complete course for the given price. So we have the physical books which are available for paper 1, then for psychology as well as for geography. Now for other subjects, you would have the course selection which are available here. Now all these courses are available online. You can actually go for lectures, questions and notes. Lectures would be on a monthly basis, so you can register for 3 months option when you are taking the lecture course at the checkout window itself. And for other courses, the validity for notes and questions is for 3 years. Now in case you have any questions or queries, you can connect on this number below. But of course, before your exam, we would be bringing in series of video that would help you understand and comprehend the basics and the tips to score well. So stay subscribed on the channel as well. And within the lecture series, we have updated the lectures to bring in some of the best contents for you. So if you go on to the preview lectures, you would see, you can search here 2024, and then you would see this is the various updates that have been done based on what has been asked. So there is an update for 2025 as well, based on the questions that have been asked in the various examinations, right? So you would have a series of updates on the portal itself, which would ensure that you are well prepared with the changing trend and the kind of questions that are being asked. Now these are some of the topics which have been very important of recent. Every time you have witnessed 1 or 2 questions. Even citations have been important. So ethics, writing style, ISBN, citation softwares, very important. Practice them well. If you have any other queries or doubts, feel free to connect below. For paper 1, I do personally take the paper 1 session. So if you have any queries, you can click the questions tab, clarifications tab there itself, and I'll help you resolve the doubts as soon as possible. For all other subjects, the subject instructor would help you mentor with the course and give you proper guidance on what and how to go forward if you have any doubts or queries. But make sure you keep interacting with the instructors in case you have queries or concerns. So all those interactions would be free You won't have to pay for any queries or questions that you would be asking throughout your registered period. So thanks for joining in. Wish you all the best. Have a great day ahead.